In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable colored folders in OneDrive. If you want to make your OneDrive more organized and easier to scan at a glance, changing folder colors is a simple feature that can really help. It's especially useful if you manage a lot of folders and want important items to stand out visually. I'll walk you through how to do this both on the OneDrive website and in Windows File Explorer, so you can use whichever method is more convenient for you. Let's start on the OneDrive website. First, log into your OneDrive account and open the area where your folders are stored. Once you're there, find the folder you want to customize. Right-click on that folder to open the context menu. In the menu, look for the option labeled Folder Color and select it. A list of available colors will appear. Choose the color you want, and as soon as you click it, the folder color will update immediately. This is a quick way to visually separate different types of content. For example, you might use one color for personal folders, another for work-related files, and another for shared projects. The exact system is up to you, but keeping it consistent can make navigation much easier over time. Now let's look at how to do the same thing in Windows File Explorer. Open File Explorer on your computer and go to your OneDrive folder. Once you're inside, locate the folder you want to change. Right-click that folder to bring up the menu. From there, hover over the OneDrive option in the menu to reveal more settings. Then select Folder Color. A pop-up window will appear with the available color choices. Pick the color you want, then click Apply. After that, the folder's color will change. If you don't see the update right away, give it a moment, or click away and back again to refresh your view. Using folder colors in File Explorer can be especially helpful if you spend most of your time managing files directly on your desktop rather than in the browser. It gives you a clearer visual system without changing the folder names or structure. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you use the OneDrive website or Windows File Explorer, enabling colored folders only takes a few clicks and can make your file organization much more intuitive. Once you start using it, it becomes much easier to spot the folders you need quickly and keep your OneDrive workspace looking neat and manageable.